guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So what we're gonna be doing today, I actually got my water hose here, and if you guys remember, I put some Jackswax, their instant shine, on these black plastics. We're gonna see how good the water hose takes off, and then we're gonna go back over to the pressure washer. I'm just gonna mainly be knocking the clumps off. Right now we're gonna see how easy the clumps come off before we start with the pressure washer. So let's get to it. You can see, guys, where that plastic was coated. It comes right off, no issues. And look at that, guys, washing right off. And if you guys wondering where we went riding, we went to Vaughn's farm. It was a night ride, so don't really have a whole lot of footage of that. But I mean, guys, just with a water hose, no pressure washer, just water hose, and that's what we get afterwards. As you can see, the Jackswax is still beating. Looks pretty good. Like I said, no pressure washer. It's just all the water hose, and it is coming off with very little effort from the water hose. And look at that, guys, look, they're just fanning it off. But other than that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and set the phone up, and we're gonna get a montage of us spraying this off. All right, guys, I'll add real quick. Before the montage, I just want to show you guys what this thing looked like after the water hose. So this is all just being washed off with the water hose, no scrubbing, nothing like that. And this thing actually doesn't look that bad. The mud come off pretty easy. I didn't spend just a whole lot of time, and no, before y'all ask, I didn't do the inside of the water hose. I'm just gonna hit all that with the pressure washer and wash some of the dust off. But no, guys, I mean, the thing looks good just for being washed off with just a water hose. So we're gonna hop on the pressure washer and maybe a bucket and scrub it down real quick. And hope you guys enjoy. If you do, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And guys, definitely check us out. So if you guys stuck around this long, I appreciate it. Go ahead and leave a like and subscribe down below. Look, guys, we got look at this thing, super clean, lots of flake we're showing, and this is a beautiful color. Really glad I went with this color. But guys, this Jackswax stuff does great. I mean, you can see it cleaned up great. That's just with a pressure washer and just a little bit of wiping down with a mitt. But I mean, doors look good, no just crazy staining, and it still beads water like crazy, which is something I like. And like I said, it's still not greasy. It's not a very oily finish. It does still attract some dust, but I haven't even put this on yet. I haven't even reapplied, and it still looks brand new, which the machine is brand new, guys. I get that, don't get me wrong, but still looks great. I mean, after a ride and everything I put it through, still looks fabulous. And I think Jackswax is to give a word to on that. So you guys go ahead and check out my stickers. I know y'all probably saw that in the montage. So if y'all catch me out, come up, say something to me. If y'all see me riding, don't worry, guys. I'm not afraid to talk to you guys. Definitely want to meet everybody that follows along with the build. And hey guys, hope y'all are having a good one. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.